Hey friends, Heather here from the Sewing Loft, and with Halloween around the corner, it's time to share the latest quilt block, the Halloween Bat. Start by downloading your pattern and cutting out your pieces. We're going to start by making the two half square triangles for the wings. Now to start with, take your background fabric, turn it wrong side, and draw a line from corner to corner with a heat erasing marking pen. Then line it up with your other square and stitch 1/4 of an inch along each side. After stitching, you're going to trim right along that line and then clean up your half square triangles. Depending on what size finished block you're making, just follow the instructions provided in the quilt pattern. I like to use the Clearly Perfect slot trimmers. It gives me the perfect half square triangle every time. So go ahead and make 2 of them. With our half square triangles complete, it's time to prepare for the next step. We can put these aside. Then we're going to be taking all of our squares we've previously cut, and we want to draw a line from corner to corner with a heat erasing pen. Simply take your ruler and draw your line. Repeat on all of your blocks. Then it's time to continue to create the bottom of our wing. We're going to take the block that we just marked. Be sure to stitch directly along the line. Then we're going to trim it away and press per the pattern. Using the same method with our squares, you'll want to attach them to our head, ears, and tail. With all of our legwork done, now it's time to attach our interior units. We're going to start with the ears and the head. We're just going to put them together, line them up, and stitch directly across. Repeat for the tail. Be sure to press as you go. Now, with all of our sub pieces together, it's time to just arrange our bat. With all of our blocks arranged, simply stitch each unit together and press as you go. Be sure to alternate your seams and follow the instructions included with the pattern. With our rows all stitched together and pressed, it's time for the final assembly. Simply line each row up, nest your seams, and stitch together. Then just trim your finished block to size. Be sure to visit thesewingloft.com for full pattern details.